Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta general characters. General characters of Pteridophyta. First character is first true landing plants. Pteridophyta plants are called first true landing plants. True indicates that plants containing xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem tissues are present in the plant body. So xylem and phloem tissues are called vascular tissues. The vascular tissues present in the plant body, that plants are called Tracheophyta plants. First Tracheophyta plants, Pteridophyta. But these Tracheophyta plants didn't contain any flowers. Means flowers are absent in these plants. So these plants are also called cryptogams. Cryptogams means that plants containing vascular tissue system, but they do not produce flowers. And next point is reptile plants. Next character is reptile plants. Every Pteridophyta plants containing rhizome. Rhizome is creeping on the soil surface. The creeping rhizome similar to reptile characters. Reptiles are moves from one place to another place with the help of creeping movement. The same condition of rhizome is present in the plants of Pteridophyta. So these plants are called reptile plants. Next general character is well-developed sporophyte stage. Pteridophyta plants containing gametophyte and sporophyte. From the two stages, sporophyte is well developed because it participated in the photosynthesis. It can prepare own food material, and the sporophyte containing root system, shoot system, leaves. So these are well developed stages. Sporophyte stage is well developed stage in the Pteridophyta plants. Homospory. During the reproduction by sporophyte, during the asexual reproduction, the sporangium produced similar type of spores. Sporangium produce similar type of spores is called homospory. Best examples for homospory: Lycopodium, Equisitum, Rhinia. Next general character is heterospory. If the sporophyte participated in the asexual reproduction by spores, that sporangium may be two types. Sporangiums may be two types. One is large size is called macrosporangium. One is small size is called microsporangium. Microsporangium produced microspores. Macrosporangium produced macrospores. Means from one sporophyte, two types of spores are developed. One is small in size is called microspores. Some are large in size is called macrospores. Macro and microspores are developed from single sporophytic plant of Pteridophyta is called heterospory. Leptosporangiate. Leptosporangiate means the sporophyte produced sporangium during the asexual reproduction. That sporangium developed from single mother cell. Complete sporangium developed from single mother cell is called leptosporangiate. Next character is eusporangiate. Eusporangiate mean during the asexual reproduction by the sporophyte, sporangium developed from more than one mother cells. During the asexual reproduction, sporangium developed from more than one mother cell is called eusporangiate. Haplochilic stomata. Sporophyte containing stomata-like structures on the leaves, on the stems. The stomata contains god cells and subsidiary cells. So the both complexes are called stomatal complex. In each stomatal complex, two god cells and subsidiary cells are present. From that stomatal complex, god cells are developed from single mother cell and subsidiary cells are developed from the another mother cell. Mean both god cells and subsidiary cells are developed from individual mother cells. God cells and subsidiary cells are developed from individual mother cells. The type of stomatal complex is called haplochilic stomata. Next general character is synditochilic stomata. Synditochilic stomata means stomatal complex containing god cells and subsidiary cells. God cells and subsidiary cells are developed from single mother cell. Both structure of stomatal complex, god cells and subsidiary cells are developed from single mother cell is called synditochilic stomata. Monoxylic xylem. This type of xylem cells containing thin cell wall with large cavity. Thin cell wall with large cavity. That type of xylem cells are called monoxylic xylem. The monoxylic xylem cells do not use mechanical support because these are having thin cell wall with large cavity. The next type of character is pycnoxylic xylem. Pycnoxylic xylem containing, that xylem cells containing thick cell wall with small cavity. Pycnoxylic xylem cells are containing thick cell wall with small cavity. This type of xylem cells gives mechanical support to plants. And alternation of generations are present in the Pteridophyta. Alternation of generations means gametophyte participated in the sexual reproduction, they are produced sporophyte. Sporophyte participated in asexual reproduction, they are produced gametophyte. So gametophyte alternate with sporophyte, sporophyte alternate with gametophyte in the life cycle. So that type of life cycles are called alternation of generations. In Pteridophyta, alternation of generations are present. These are the general characters of the Pteridophyta.